With the new release of Adobe Photoshop, in particular version 25.0, we have artificial intelligence features. For example, we have Generative Fill, Generative Expand, Remove Tool, and Contextual Taskbar. For example, you can start from an image like this and go to an image like this. I basically use the Generative Fill to add a few more objects, like this one, and this one. These elements were not in the original photos, but I was able to type some prompts, so type some text of what I wanted to visualize and add it to the photo. To use these features, first of all, you will have to update Photoshop. For doing that, you have to open Creative Cloud Desktop, go in Updates, and then here in Photoshop, click to update. You can see already here that it says basically that it has new Adobe Firefly Power features. And the version is 25.0. Once you downloaded everything, you will have to click on your new photo. You have to import it, and then you will have to click on this tool on the left, rectangular marquee tool. Select a portion in the space here and click on Generative Fill. Here it will open a pop-up in which you will write what you want to visualize. For example, I can try Blue Planet, which is pretty generic, and then you click on Generate. Now, each time it will generate, different images will appear, so basically they will be all different. So I cannot replicate exactly what I did here, but there will be different results. Here there are some arrows, so you can switch from one result to the other. And as you can notice here on the right, there is also a new tab, Properties, in which you have exactly the same prompt. So you can tap it either here or here and click Generate. And you have all the variations listed here, as well as here. Plus you have some 3 dots here to rate the suggestion. You can rate it as good, so you got a good generative result, or poor. You can also report a variation, delete the variation, and you can also reset the bar position. So there are many properties here, but you can do that also from here. So if you hover on the photo that was generated, there are 3 dots, and you can rate it here, or you can delete it from here. For example, this one is the best result, so I will just keep this one. So as you can see here, it's pretty powerful. This is just one example, but you can use it for any other photo, and you can try to change the prompt here. Sometimes there are good suggestions, sometimes there are bad suggestions. So it really depends on how you basically write the prompt. Okay, and this was for the Generative Fill, and in another video we are going to explore more features. Click in the description of these videos to see the other videos about the new AI features of Adobe Photoshop. See you!